How to freeze your video on Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily freeze your video on Alight Motion. So let's say in this example I have a video over here under my new project, under Alight Motion application. So let me just quickly edit it. So let me just trim it once more. So I want up to this part for it to be freezed. So I will just select on the trimmed version and just click on this speedometer type icon over here and just insert and pull this all the way towards left, this cursor button over here, and just click on it. And now when I play the video, as you can see, the video has been freezed. So you can also set the speed limit for this video. You can also increase or decrease the speed based on your choice, and you can just save or export the video just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.